Hi friends, I want to observe this old Soviet device, retro DJ. No? What is this? I want to observe this electrical circuit. In this place, fusing system in this place was poor connection. I was fixed then. So, capacitors, transistors, transformers. This year, 77 years old, was burned. So, look at this. Вячеслав Добрынин. No? Вячеслав Добрынин. Oh, I want to check this out. What? No? I don't know what is this. So, turn on, light, stereo, balance, timbre. What is this? Timbre. Low frequency, high frequency, volume. So let's get started. I'm gonna check this out. Oh, yeah. Oh, so. Oh. Start. Wow. Wow. What is this? Wow. Whoa. Amazing stuff from Soviet Union. Whoa. Okay. Oh, amazing stuff. It's working from USA. Oh. So, I want to check this disc, which Vladimir Vysotsky, amazing voice, and I'm going to check this out. Start, and look at this.
Он всегда говорил про другое, он мне спать не давал, он с восходом вставал, а вчера не вернулся из боя, он мне спать не давал, он с восходом вставал, а вчера не вернулся из боя. То, что пусто теперь,
Супер.
эти ненужные споры, я себе уже все доказал. Изумрудным льдом, которую ты так и не покорил, будто боя друг шаг ступил на ледник и сник.
It's working device. Super. So thanks. That's all for now. Thanks for watching me. Yuri Kovalenok was with you. Thanks.